Hello, my name is Dan Maddox. I'm the Senior Systems Engineer at Staunch Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to set up StaunchBACKUP Premium on a Windows Server operating system. We're installing it today on Server 2008 R2, but the installation on Server 2008 and Server 2003 is generally the same. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you will want to go to StaunchBACKUP.com. We already have it open here. And you want to go over on the right hand side and click on Get Started. And on the left hand side over here under Microsoft and under StaunchBACKUP Premium, you want to click Download. And you can go ahead and run or save it. We already have it downloaded on the desktop, so we can go ahead and run that. English is okay. Go ahead and click Next. And you want to go through the terms of use here. And go ahead and accept them. And click Next. You can change the default installation location from here. The regular room's fine for us. Go ahead and click Next. And if you're in a situation like a terminal server or something like that, you generally want to set it to me only, and then your users aren't really using the backup software, but it's okay for anyone who uses this computer for us today. Click Next and Install. Installation takes anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds, so we'll go ahead and let that run through. Alright, now that it's completed, we're going to go ahead and make sure that Launch Premium is checked and click Finish. And that'll launch the backup software. Alright, now if you're registering a trial account, you want to put your login name, password, confirm the password, and then your email on here, and that'll set you up with a 10 gig trial account for 30 days. But since we're already a user, we're going to click down here and enter your login name. And click Save. Hit OK. And the first time you launch it, it's going to ask you to set up a new backup set. So we're going to go ahead and do data backup. And it's a file backup, so we can click that. The other options you have here are Lotus Notes, Microsoft Exchange if you want to do a mail level, which is the individual mailbox. It's SQL backups, database backups, things like that. But file backup is what we're going to do today, so click Next. And uncheck Documents. And we actually want to back up an entire drive. So we'll wait for this to parse, and we want to back up the E drive for data. Click OK, and then Next. And normal backup, you can go ahead and set the schedule here. And what we want to do is do a daily backup, periodically backing up every 3 hours. But you can go ahead and set it to, if you want a specific time, if you want it to last only 8 hours or so that you don't interrupt business flow or anything like that, you can set it from there. Click OK, and then Next again. From here you can set the encryption. If you want to do different types of algorithms, different key lengths, if you want to specify a different key, you can do that here. Or if you just don't want to use encryption at all, you can set it there. We're just going to go ahead and use the default encryption, which is going to be your password. Click OK, and that actually sets up the backup set. From there we click Backup, and set the backup. And if you want to do a local seed backup and mail us the information, you want to do it right there, and then just change it to the location. But offsite's fine, and the in-file delta, the incremental is going to be fine because the first time you run it, it's going to back up everything, and then from there on, it'll only do incrementals. So that's fine. And then let's go ahead and get started. All right, my name was Dan Maddox. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and submit them to support at staunch.us. And thanks for watching.